bacteria, fungi, and viral infections. Put together for 3 months, called Balanced Complex Kits. Best for men and women with infections, prolonged and recurrent infections. Product description: Balanced Complex Kit is formulated to detoxify the body systems, eradicate infections and recurrent infections, and help to support the body's immune system. Product benefits: Balanced Complex Kit helps the body to completely remove unwanted toxic substances from the systems. It cleanses the liver of stored pharmaceutical antibiotics previously used in treating infections, thereby resetting your health for optimal functions. It eradicates various types of infections such as staphylococcus, candidiasis, pelvic inflammatory disease, gonorrhea, and E. coli. It helps to kill viruses, fungi, and bacterial infections. It eradicates prolonged infections and recurrent infections. It is beneficial in the treatment and prevention of various types of infections. It eases inflammation caused by infections and provides digestive and anti-inflammatory support. It has as a natural antibiotic and immune system booster. Balanced Complex Kit is a treatment course of 3 months to completely eradicate chronic, recurrent, and prolonged infections. You can order Balanced Complex Kit now. So